Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm at my outside storage. The wind might affect us a little bit more out here because it is windy today. So today we're going to take this radiator apart. We're not going to worry about this or that. That's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to show you how, just by a regular pair of pliers, you can take these apart. I would use the sledgehammer, but due to my condition, I can no longer swing it, because I don't want to let go of it. And so all you want to do is just come along these things and just bend them down. I did some videos yesterday. One of them I have to redo because you couldn't really see anything. The other one I just got done rendering. You can somewhat see stuff, but I haven't decided if I'm gonna release it. But that is the car radio. The one that I have to redo was the valves. Okay, so that side is done. Well, you only have to really do one side, but you do have to do the ends. All you do is just, like I said, bend them. You know, another way you can do it is take a Dremel tool and just cut it off, cut these things off, and it'll do the same thing. But and it doesn't take very long to take these apart. Okay, so that's one side. So one way you can do this, just put something inside. But mainly just bend it over. But this will sometimes either be aluminum or brass, and these are aluminum. So, but that's one side done. Let's see, I'll just leave this here for now. I'll save up a whole bunch of those before I dismantle those. And then we go to the other side. Basically the same thing. The train's running today. That ain't gonna stay closed. So I'll move a little bit further down here so the shadow doesn't mix. There we go. My hand strength is just not the same anymore. So when I get my little pit up and running, I will most likely take a Dremel tool and just cut one side off, because my hand strength is gone. And we'll do this side. I did finally, well, I didn't hear what the results were. The doctor hasn't. Oh, that hurts. The doctor hasn't gotten back with me yet as far as the results, but at least I know she has them now. So we want to do the same thing before, but since I don't have any strength, just put it on the side, take it and just peel it apart like that. At least I still have my legs. Make sure you take this rubber gasket out, and then you got a clean radiator. They'll give you aluminum price for that and not junk price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So now I just got to find other things to take apart, so this way I don't run out of content. I'm afraid sooner or later I am going to run out of content. You know, I can't keep doing the same things over and over and over again. I could, but you guys wouldn't watch them. So yeah. But we're going to go ahead and end this. So as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. YouTube poke. Later, Gators.